We got a lot of great talent in the building. Got a lot of key people in the building, so make sure y'all introduce yourselves and just network, man. That's what it's all about.
First of all, give yourself a round of applause for coming out tonight. This cold night, it's great outside. You guys came out. That's not good enough. Give yourself a round of applause for coming out on a Tuesday night supporting hip-hop.
Supporting this real hip-hop movement.
Shout out to Bedtime, Nick's in the building, in the circle.
In the circle, all is one.
Before we get started, we want to give thanks to DJ Lama for holding down the sounds, Ace for holding down the door, the judges that came out to judge these artists tonight. We got simple rules. The first one is network. You never know who's next to you. Set of judges, A&Rs, people from BET, Universal in the building, Atlantic, Capitol Records. We all look alike, but you don't know the rules. So make sure you get a business card.
Make sure you network. Make sure y'all introduce yourselves to each other. This is what it's about, man. We're about to definitely have a great show for y'all. We got a lot of key people who are going to be coming through. We got a lot of great guests, a lot of great features also. So, man, I don't know if y'all ready. Y'all ready? What's good? Come on, we're going to make sure y'all ready. If y'all ready to hear some great music and get that energy up and make sure y'all have a great show, give it up one time. Come on.
Touches the stage tonight at the start, so make sure everybody gets that superstar treatment. We all here to support each other. There's not a lot of venues that support hip-hop. So you guys got to support the board, support Club Snitch, and let's have a good time tonight.
This show, once again, is sponsored by SRC Records, Loud Energy Drink, Loud.com, and we have a lot of other key sponsors you can check out on the flyer.